First, I want to repeat the order. Single forward dry. Seatbelt. As I step out of the rig, I want to make sure that I visually ensure that my ground is clear while maintaining contact with one handrail. Clear. My SCBA is operationally ready. My radio is in the correct frequency. Because this rig is equipped with 4-inch hose, I'm only pulling one 4-inch supply line. As I step onto the tailboard, I want to make sure I maintain contact with the handrail. I'm going to take this opportunity to dress my hose on the tailboard. Prior to stepping down, I'm visually confirming that my ground is clear while maintaining contact with the handrail. Clear. Placing the hose over my shoulder, I'm going to proceed 10 to 12 feet past my hydrant. As I prepare to send the engine away, I'm making a C-fold. I have visual contact with the engineer. Lay line! I'm waiting for 100 feet of hose, 2 couplings on the ground, or the engineer to reach his objectives by air brakes. I hear air brakes. As I'm walking to my hydrant, I'm taking this opportunity to remove any excess hose out of the street. My next step is flushing the hydrant. I'm removing my hydrant kit. As I remove the cap, I'm checking for threads and no obstructions. Standing off to the side of my hydrant, I'm going to open it until I get clear water. Clear water. Now I make my connection, checking for gaskets, no obstructions. My hose is hand tight. My hose is flaked. I'm waiting for a call for water, a clamp, an intake, a reasonable amount of time, or a signal from my engineer on the radio that he or she is ready for water. I see a clamp. Water coming on the 4-inch! Standing off to the side, I'm going to slowly charge my hydrant. And I'm going to introduce water slowly, no faster than the speed that I can walk. Now that I see water at the engine, I'm going to open my hydrant all the way, standing off to the side. As water enters my apparatus, I'm going to completely open my hydrant, standing off to the side, and using a hand-over-hands method. As my hydrant's fully open, I'm going to back it off a quarter turn. Now that my water supply is charged, I'm grabbing my hydrant wrench, my hydrant kit, and I'm looking for any kinks along the line as I proceed back to my apparatus. As I return to my apparatus with my equipment, I'm going to report to my company officer for my next assignment.